How about making easy money by doing absolutely simple things? With the development of the virtual world, there are plenty of ways to make money online. All you have with you is a laptop and a skill. One of the easiest methods that many people use to make money online is trying for free copy and paste jobs. You can earn more than $50 per day if you provide enough contribution. As the name itself indicates, all you have to do is copy the information from one place and paste it into another. So let's see how to earn $50 a day online for free copy and pasting jobs. Welcome to Clever Money Girl, a place where you can find many tips to become financially stable. Before diving in, make sure to subscribe to our channel. These copy and paste jobs are in different types. For instance, your responsibility is to convert image data into a spreadsheet or a PDF file into a Word document. Likewise, there can be several options according to the requirement of your client. First, let's see the types of these free copy-paste jobs, and then let's talk about where you can find these free copy-paste job opportunities. Excel to Word or Word to Excel. A spreadsheet or Word document will be given to you, and you will need to convert it into other formats. PDF to Word document or Word document to PDF. You will be given a PDF file to convert into a Word document or the other way around. Visual Basic or Visual Studio. In here, all you have to do is just copy the personal details like name, address, and phone number in Visual Basic or Studio and provide them in a more presentable way. Image to document conversion. You will be given an image and you will need to extract the necessary information from it to convert it to a document like a PDF, Word, or Excel. HTML from testing jobs. The form should be filled in HTML format. Invoice generating. You should copy and paste the invoices created in the Word document. Adding the product to e-commerce websites. Adding the products to the online store means adding the product details, such as an image, a description, and a price, to an online store. Social media bot posting. You have to copy and paste the information on social media and paste them on social media sites. So those are the most popular free copy and paste jobs available online, and there are several top-rated websites where you can find a free copy and pasting jobs. Now let's go through the trusted platforms which are recommended by the experts in the field. Google Careers. The first platform in the list is Google Careers. As everyone believes, Google is the most transparent platform and it can be trusted without any doubt. Therefore, Google Career is at the top of the list of job seekers. To find the kind of job you're looking for, all you have to do is search for it. After you've searched for a copy-paste job, you will receive plenty of job suggestions and you can select jobs among them based on your skills. You must first join up for Google Careers or sign in with your Google account before continuing. As this is a trusted source to find out jobs, you can try this Google Careers to seek any kind of job. Upwork. Everyone is familiar with Upwork. It is one of the most outstanding platforms for freelancers. Registration to the site is free, and you can apply for numerous jobs available there. The good news is that you receive free connects each month, which you can use to apply to new copy-paste jobs and other jobs according to your preference. All you have to do is submit proposals and apply to the copy and paste jobs available there, and then you have to allocate your maximum time to fulfill that task in a higher standard to satisfy the client. Then you will be easily able to earn a lot of money by simply copying and pasting stuff. Fiverr. Fiverr is not something new to people who are familiar with online jobs. Fiverr is considered one of the best places to earn money as a freelancer. When coming to copy and paste jobs, it is very popular on Fiverr, and you can see several workers who are engaging in copy and paste jobs to earn money. This platform, Fiverr, is very easy to deal with. Unlike other platforms, the process to take an order, doing the work, and releasing the order is simpler here. You can find a lot of clients who are seeking freelancers that do copy and pasting to fulfill their requirements. So it won't be in vain to get your hands on this platform to earn more dollars a day. LinkedIn Jobs. Another social media platform that allows you to find the most suitable job based on your skills is LinkedIn. It allows thousands of companies to hire freelancers to make their copy and paste jobs done. You can find a long-term and short-term copy and pasting jobs available there. You have to register there and search for the desired job of yours. This is a professional platform, so you can easily work with the job offers there and provide your service to fulfill their requirements. Try this amazing platform to earn more money by simply copying and pasting stuff. Freelancer. Freelancer is one of the very popular companies among the freelancers, which is coming as a Sydney-based company. It is consisting of a crowd that spreads all over the world, and you can find thousands of copy-paste job opportunities there. This is considered an Upwork alternative and popular for allowing you to make a lot of money via this. The best thing that this platform provides you is that it allows you to search for copy-paste jobs that are available right now for free. So try this out to earn more dollars a day. Guru. Guru is another platform where you can easily find thousands of copy and paste jobs online. This platform is also free, so that you can register to the site and then seek job opportunities according to your skills free of charge. As you are going to apply for a copy-paste job, it is better if you can apply for a filter listing copy and pasting jobs to make the searching process easier. MegaTypers. MegaTypers is a platform that offers job opportunities to a variety of employers, businesses, and governmental agencies. This site is perfect for you if you want to earn money online doing copy and pasting. This website is consisting of full data entry and copy and paste tasks. This website is popular among students who want to make a side income to cover their daily expenses. You can make a considerable amount of money via this site based on your experience and the number of hours you invest to complete the task. Flexjobs. If you are finding a career opportunity, Flexjobs is one of the best choices you can try out. This site is extremely suitable for the ones who wish to engage in online copy and pasting jobs to earn money without doing any investments. If you're looking for freelance, part-time, or remote jobs, Flexjobs is the place for you. Additionally, it will give you the chance to work with reputable organizations like Apple, Dell, Microsoft, Salesforce, PeoplePerHour, and more. Despite being a free platform, you can choose to use the premium edition to apply to numerous jobs too. You must pay $24.95 every month to subscribe and get more opportunities. But if you are still a beginner, the free version is more than enough. Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Amazon's Mechanical Turk, or Turk, assists businesses to hire crowd workers to complete their tasks. Crowd workers are the people who work at Turk. As Amazon describes, crowd workers are there to perform tasks that cannot be completed with the help of computers. After creating an account on Turk, you are all set to work there. While Turk mainly offers copy-paste jobs, crowd workers have access to a wide variety of jobs. PeoplePerHour. PeoplePerHour is an online UK-based business that allows job seekers around the world to try for plenty of job opportunities according to their skills and qualifications. It is one of the greatest websites for freelancing that is mostly recognized for providing writing and translation jobs. Even if you can find many copy and paste jobs here, you can still apply for them and make a lot of money. Here, 15 proposals will be provided to you each month for free. With such proposals, you can apply for jobs and obtain the necessary tools for creating a regular monthly income. Depending on your contribution and the related skills, the amount you can earn per day differs. The above described websites are reliable and trustworthy, so there is no need to be afraid to search for a free copy and paste job online to earn more than $50 a day. Hope you found these interesting facts valuable. Did you enjoy the video? If so, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Let's meet again in a valuable video like this.